Hello again everyone and welcome to the Weather Centre. While much of South Africa's coastline is cooler today along with a bit of rainfall as a front moves through, for the northern interior it's an especially hot day as the typical springtime dry heat continues over that area. Today is also spring equinox, meaning that just for today our daytime and nighttime are equal in length, but for the next 6 months our days are going to be longer than our nights, and this means that it is now the astronomical start of spring over the southern hemisphere. Our satellite loop indicates the cold front which has moved over the Western Cape earlier today. Showers have been affecting parts of the province, but around the peninsula things have already cleared up and it's been a partly cloudy start to the day for that area. Cloud cover has been thickening overnight along the eastern coastline, and it was a very cloudy and cool start to the day for Durban and some of the surrounding areas. For the rest of today, sunshine and hot weather continues over the northern parts of the country. It is cooler over the northern Cape, being affected by the front as well. And as the front moves further eastwards, the rain is going to gradually clear out of the southern coastline. But by later on, we're going to see a very good chance for rain along the east coast and the adjacent interior, mainly into this evening, as a good flow of moisture pushes in over that area. Taking a look at the alerts, and there is still a warning for today for this high fire danger all across the central interior of the country. Runaway fires could potentially develop in this region, including in Gauteng, much of the Free State and even some parts of KZN. This is also in part being caused by the gusty conditions which are in the forecast for the area today, between 20 and 30 kilometers per hour, and we are still expecting fresh to strong winds for the Eastern Cape coastline. A quick look at the rainfall probability map, and there is a 60% chance for rain along the south coast. Over the adjacent interior, there's also a possibility for rain extending quite far inland towards the Little Karoo. Drier around the peninsula and all along the western coastline. A slight possibility for a few showers for East London as well as for Port Elizabeth, and a better chance for rain into this evening all across the east coast and the adjacent interior. And into the early evening hours, there's also a likelihood for a couple of small thunder showers which could develop for the northern interior of KZN. A hot day for the northern parts of the country. Johannesburg getting up to 30 degrees Celsius, 36 from Bombela, as well as the rest of the Lowveld, where temperatures will climb into the upper 30s. Cooler along the east coast, and it's going to be an especially cool day over the southern parts of the country. 14 for Sutherland and a high of 15 into George. A look ahead to tomorrow, when it's going to be a cloudy, cold and wet day for many parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Temperatures remaining unchanged for a sunny Gauteng. And on Saturday we could have a few drops of rain early in the morning for George and a couple of passing showers for Richards Bay.